channel. On your screens, we are looking at the stock price of Revlon Inc. And yesterday, the stock lost 42.93% of its value and closed the day trading at $1.17. Today, the stock is up. Oh, it was trying to go up about 5%. Now it's up 2.5%. And it is trading in the pre-market at $1.20. Now, if you look at the 52-week range, the stock has been trading from $1.08, which was yesterday, as that's the 52-week low it hit yesterday, all the way up to $17.65. The volume, 4.4 million shares that were traded yesterday compared to an average volume of 347,000 shares. So Revlon Inc., together with its subsidiaries, develops, manufactures, markets, distributes, and sells beauty and personal care products worldwide. The company's Revlon segment offers color cosmetics and beauty tools under the Revlon brand, and hair color under the Revlon Color Silk and Revlon Professional brands. Its Elizabeth Arden segment markets, distributes, and sells skincare products under the Elizabeth Arden Ceramide, Prevage, 8-Hour, Superstar, Visible Difference, and Skin Illuminating brands. And fragrances under the Elizabeth Arden White Tea, Elizabeth Arden Red Door, Elizabeth Arden Fifth Avenue, and Elizabeth Arden Green Tea brands. The company's portfolio segment offers color cosmetics under the Almay and Sinful Colors brands, men's grooming products under the American Crew brand, nail polishes, gel nail color, and nail enhancements under the CND brand. In short, it's a company that has so many different brands under the main company, which is Revlon. And of course, as you guys can see from this list I was reading, it deals mainly with beauty, health, skincare, and hair care products. So the company was founded in 1932 and is based in New York, New York. I was suspecting that something similar might happen. If you guys remember 2008, everybody woke up one day and I think it was countrywide, and then Lehman Brothers, and then one by one things were just tumbling. It was unprecedented, and so far we haven't had any big company fail. And I hope nothing of that nature happens. I hope the economy gets sorted out before anything catastrophic happens. People are really hurting right now. People are losing their jobs. Most tech companies, I'm sure you guys are hearing in the news how they are doing layoffs. Even companies that are doing record sales like Tesla, they are eliminating positions. Some other companies, they have higher freezes. So things are really, really rough out there. And to see Revlon mixed with the talk of bankruptcy, this is just unprecedented. And for a company that has been so long, I mean, there are many women, grandmothers, great-grandmothers, and even some younger folk who know Revlon as, think of lip gloss, think of foundation, all of those things, they are manufactured by Revlon. So it's just so unimaginable to even hear of Revlon being talked about in the same sentence as bankruptcy. That will send a ripple effect throughout not just the beauty industry, but the whole economy. And we don't know how serious this kind of talk is, but many major outlets are reporting on that. So there might be some truth to what they are saying, and I'm sure that the executives of Revlon are fighting tooth and nail to ensure that the company stays alive. Elon Musk from Tesla is also warning shareholders that they should prepare for a tough quarter. And so the kind of bankruptcy that people are talking about concerning Revlon is Chapter 11 bankruptcy. And pretty much what they are saying is that the company is on the precipice of filing for Chapter 11 bankruptcy, which will, I think, protect the company from creditors, and it will also give the company an opportunity to reorganize itself, possibly sell off less profitable segments, within the company subsidiaries, and then have a smaller, leaner, and more efficient operation. This won't be the only company going through this. There's a lot of demand that went away with the COVID-19 when the world was on lockdown, and even after the world reopened, the demand hasn't risen to the level where people would have expected. And then you couple that with supply chain issues, and you just have a total slowdown in depending on the business segment in which you operate. And I suspect that that might be the case for Revlon. They might be having issues, obtaining raw materials, and that the need for their beauty products, and that is definitely hurting the company. So 42% in a single day, that's a huge drop. And we will continue to monitor these, see what happens in the course of the day. As you guys can see, we were all watching this in real time. We have about an hour 17 minutes to the opening bell, but if you look at the pre-market valuation, it keeps jumping from 2.5 to 5 percentage points. So we really don't know what's happening there, but you can be sure that there will be a lot of action once we hear that opening bell. Furthermore, if you look at the top of your screens, you can see that the futures for S&P 500, Dow, Nasdaq, and the Russell 2000, those are in the green except for Russell 2000. But if you look at the graph, they are trending downwards, which is not a good thing. Anyways, at times it looks like that, like things look really dire. Then you hear the opening bell, and then things take off like a rocket to the moon. So let's hope for the best, and keep a close watch on what's happening. If you guys have an interesting pick, a stock that you think you want to share with others, feel free to do so in the comment section. That way we can all help each other out as we look out for some interesting stocks in the course of today's trading session. I want to say also a big thank you to those who have subscribed to the channel the past couple of days, weeks, and also to the long time subscribers, because we fixed the target for 1,000 subscribers by November. So far we have hit we are pretty close to hitting the halfway point, which would be 500 subscribers today. And I just want to thank each and everyone who contributed to that dream by subscribing to the channel. Thank you for your time. I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye now.